Hello my dear students, welcome back to the video lesson. I am Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher. Today in this video lesson, we will revise lesson number 18 and the topic of the lesson is solid, boxes and volume. So first of all, let us recall what we have learned in this chapter. So children, what do we mean by volume? Well, volume means the space occupied by something is called its volume. So children, we measure volume in terms of small cubes, especially when it comes to the solids, volume of a solid with a regular shape. For example, cube or cuboid. Then in that case, we measure volume in terms of small cubes called unit cubes. Each edge of such a cube, that is unit cube, has a unit length, either 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter, etc. And children, so we can say that the volume of a unit cube of edge 1 millimeter is 1 cubic millimeter. The volume of a unit cube of edge 1 centimeter is 1 cubic centimeter, and in the same way the volume of a unit cube of edge 1 meter is 1 cubic meter, right? So now let us come to the solid with a regular shape, that is cube and cuboid. So first of all, let us see how do we find the volume of a cuboid. Well, the volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And when it comes to the volume of a cube, we know that in a cube all the edges are equal, that is length is equal to breadth is equal to height. So we can say that length is equal to breadth is equal to height is equal to edge. Therefore the volume of a cube is equal to h multiplied by h multiplied by h. So now children, after revising all these things, let us do some of the questions from lesson number 18. So first of all, what will be the first question that we are going to do? Well, in the first question, we will find out the volume of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are given. So let us do the first question. So children, in the first question, we will find out, the first question is, find the volume of a cuboid of a part length is equal to 8 centimeter, breadth is equal to 5 centimeter and height is equal to 3 centimeters. So we have to find the volume of a cuboid whose length is given, breadth is given and height is given. So how we are going to find out the volume? Let us see. So volume of a cuboid, as we know, volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, right? So now let's put the values of length, breadth and height. So 8 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter. So first of all, let us multiply 8 and 5. When we multiply 8 and 5, we get 8 5s are 40. After this, we multiply 40 by 3. What do we get? 120. And our unit is cubic centimeter. So this is the volume of the cuboid and this is our answer. Now Let's do another question of this type only. So again we will find out the volume of a cuboid, right? And whose length, breadth and height are given. And what are they? Let us see. So in the B part, children, again we will find the volume of a cuboid of length is equal to 10.5 meter, breadth is equal to 6 meter and height is equal to 5 meter. So again we have to find out the volume of this cuboid. So volume of the cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now let us put the values of length as 10.5 meter multiplied by the value of breadth, which is 6 meter, multiplied by height, which is 5 meter. So first of all we will multiply 10.5 by 6. What do we get? We get 63 meter square multiplied by 5 meter, which is equal to 350 cubic meter, and this is our volume, 350 cubic meter. So now children, let's do another question, and in this question children, we will find out the volume of a cube. So when we find the volume of a cube, we know that cube is a cuboid in which all the edges are equal. So here instead of length, breadth and height, we have edge. So let us see. This is our question number 2. Find the volume of a cube of H, A part, equal to 7 centimeter. So let us see how we will find out. So the volume of a cube is equal to H multiplied by H multiplied by H. Right. So now what we will do? Let's put the value of the H, which is 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter. So if we just multiply the values, then see, first we will multiply 7 by 7, we get 49. 49 multiplied by 7 is equal to 343 cubic centimeter. So the volume is equal to 343 cubic centimeter. Now let's do another question. So again we will find out the volume of a cube, but this time the edge is different. And what is the edge? Let us see. So children, in this cube whose volume we are supposed to find out, the edge is equal to 12 meter. So this is the B part of question number 2. So the edge is equal to 12 meter. Again we will write V, that's V stands for volume. V is equal to H multiplied by H multiplied by H. Now let's put the value of H, which is 12 meter. 12 meter multiplied by 12 meter multiplied by 12 meter. And when we multiply 12 by 12, first of all we get 144. Then again we will multiply it by 12, and what do we get? We get 8 cubic meter. So our volume of this cube of edge 12 meter is equal to 1728 cubic meter. I hope you have understood these two questions. Now children, let us do some of the word sum from this chapter. So the first word sum that we are going to do in this word sum, I am going to read out the word sum for you. So the question is that a swimming pool of length is equal to 25 meter, breadth is equal to 15 meter and height is equal to 2 meter is 3/4 full of water. Find the volume of water in the pool. So children, in the question, so this is question number 3. In this question, what is given? That a swimming pool is given, and what is the length of the swimming pool? The length of the swimming pool is equal to 25 meter. So let us write down. Breadth of the swimming pool is equal to 50 meter and height of the swimming pool is equal to 2 meter. And children, so first of all, let us find the volume of the swimming pool. So what is the volume of the swimming pool? Let us see. Volume of the swimming pool is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So now we will keep the value of length, breadth and height, and then we will find out the volume of the swimming pool. So length is 25 meter multiplied by 15 meter multiplied by 2 meter. So when we multiply length, breadth and height, what do we get? Let us see. So let us first multiply 25 meter by 15 meter. So I am multiplying it on the right hand side, right? So we get 375 meter, and now multiply it by meter square multiplied by 2 meter. What do we get? So we get 750 cubic meter. So this is the volume of the swimming pool. Now children, it is given in the question that swimming pool is 3/4 of the swimming pool is filled with water, and in the question we have to find out the volume of the water present in the swimming pool. As we know that the swimming pool is 3/4 full of water, therefore we can say that the volume of the water in the swimming pool is equal to 3/4 of the volume of the swimming pool. Of the swimming pool. So now let's see. So now children, let's put the value of the volume of the swimming pool. So what is the volume of the swimming pool? It is 750 cubic meter. And now when we will multiply 3 by 750, and what do we get? We get 2250 divided by 5. And when we divide 2250 by 4, we get 562.5 cubic meter. So the volume of water in the swimming pool is 562.5 cubic meter. And this way we have come to the answer. We have come to the conclusion that we have to find out the volume of water in the pool. So our answer is that the volume of water in the pool is equal to 562.5 cubic meter. Now children, let's do one more word sums from this chapter as our revision. So the second word sum which I am going to do for you people is, the word sum is like this, that the area of a rectangular stage is 750 square meter. If its height is 1.5 meter, find its volume. So let us see how do we find out. Children, we have a rectangular stage, right, whose area is given and the height of the stage is also given. So we have to find out the volume of the stage. So how we are going to find out the volume of the stage? Let us see. I hope you all have understood the question. I will repeat the question once again for you all. The area of a rectangular stage is 750 square meter. If its height is 1.5 meter, find its volume. So children, this is question number 4. So what is given? Area of the rectangular stage. Area of the rectangular stage. And it is given as equal to 750 square meter. Right? So this is given in the question. And the height of the stage is also given. So the height of the stage is, which is given in the question, that is 1.5 meter. Now we have to find out the volume of the stage. Children, we know that since the stage is a cuboid as it is given in the question, so we can say that the volume of the stage is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And children, the area of the rectangular stage is given, and we know that as area, what is area? Area is equal to, area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So we can say that instead of length multiplied by breadth, we can write volume is equal to volume of the stage is equal to area multiplied by height. I hope you have understood this point, because volume of the stage is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, and we know that area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So instead of length multiplied by breadth, we can write area multiplied by height, and then also we will be able to find out the volume of the stage. So area is given, it is 750 square meter, and let us multiply it by 1.5 meter, which is the height. So when we multiply 750 by 1.5, what do we get? We get 1125 cubic meter as volume. So this is the volume of the stage. Volume of the stage. Stage. 1125 cubic meter. And this is our answer. The volume of the stage is equal to 1125 cubic meter. So children, I hope you have very well understood all the sums which have been explained in this video lesson. And so now let's do some of the question as your home assignment, which you are supposed to do on your own in your maths homework copy. So the first question that we are going to do is find the volume of a cuboid So the first question for your home assignment is find the volume of a cuboid of A part, length is equal to 10 centimeter, breadth is equal to 6 centimeter, and height is equal to 4.5 centimeter. B part, you have to find the volume of a cuboid of length is equal to 11 meter, breadth is equal to 8 meter, and height is equal to 3.5 meter. The next question for your home assignment is find the volume of a cube. So the next question for your home assignment is find question number 2. Find the volume of a cube of edge A part 11 centimeter and B part 9 meter. So this is your home assignment. So children, I am ending my video lesson at this point. I hope you have very well enjoyed this video lesson and you have understood all the sums that have been explained in this video lesson. Thank you, my dear children. Keep watching, keep learning.